welcome to a little bit of fun strength training. Strength training with me for the legs. Tribal from the trap style. We're going to cover a few different exercises today. Doesn't necessarily have to go all the way down. I'm going to give you a few options. We're going to mix it with some cool stuff. So let's go. Take your legs nice and wide first. Heels on the floor. Tummy in. Chest lifted. Shoulders down. Long neck. And let's go. Hips side to side. 1, 2. 1, 2. Make sure the knees are nice and soft. Yes? 1, 2. 1, 2. 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to lift, release. Pelvis, pelvis, pelvis. Keep the chest lifted. And really go. Lift to the front, lift to the back. Lift to the front, lift to the back. Lift to the front, back, front, back. 4, 3, 2, 1. And side to side. Send in some arms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Smile. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3. We're going to change this now into a figure of 8. So first we bend the right knee to my right, then the left. For you this might be the right. Bend and bend. When you bend, you think about dropping the hip. Drop 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 the hip. Drop. Shift the weights. Contract your oblique. Shift. See, this leg is bent now. This leg is straight. Scoop. Contract. And shift. As I start to shift, I bend the knee. Down. I contract. There, across. So it's up. And bend. The secret is to bend. We're working on our legs. Okay? So scoop. 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 Keep the heels on the floor. And take it all the way through. I'm going to face the side as well so you can see. Keep going, please. Go nice and low. A shift. A shift. You've got to use your obliques. So we're not only working our legs, we're also working our obliques. Pull the tummy in. Keep your chest lifted. I'll face the back as well in case it's helpful. So we shift down. I bend this leg. It goes down and up. Then this leg go down and up. And then shift it. Shift. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, recoil, 3, 2, 1, come to the front. Okay, we're going to take it into squats. Just take the legs outwards, turn the toes to the corners, tummy in, plie down. Make sure the knees follow the line of the toes, big toe and second toe, so your knee is not collapsing forwards, not rolling through your ankles, stay nice and straight. Okay, and then, as you rise up, you're going to squeeze your bottom and press through the heels. So down, squeeze, squeeze. Down. Try not to get your hips to go lower than your knees. I don't want you to do this, okay? Maximum 90 degrees. And down. Breathe. 4, 3, 2, breathe. 1. Okay, walk the toes in, face the front, and then we have scoop, scoop, scoop. Notice the difference. When I did my plies, not squats. When we do my plies, our toes face the corners of the room. When we do this move, our toes face forwards. Our knees always have to be in line with our toes. Very, very important. Okay? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn the toes out. So we have 1, 2. Squeeze your bottom to rise. 3. Press through the heels. 4. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn the toes forwards. Up and we go. 8 and drop. Drop the hip down, down. Make sure you're still using your obliques. Ha. And scoop, scoop, scoop. 4, 3. Okay, we're going to bring the legs together. We're going to stay low. Okay, bend. Make sure not to keep your bottom out. Tummy, chest, shoulders, neck, and then heel, heel. We stay low. Look, my knees are still bent the whole time. I'm just raising my heel as high as I can, but I'm not bouncing. It's different. Okay, so what I want you to do is really think about raising the heel. heels. Raise them up. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. From here, at our hips, we're going to add in the figure of 8. So, I drop my hip down into my heel. The opposite heel lifts. Scoop. Drop the heel down and scoop. Down and scoop. Down and scoop. And my hip goes towards the heel that's going into the floor. Okay, make sure. Posture. Yes. Let's have 8, 7, smile, 6. Great, your legs should be really working. Tummy in, make sure you're not leaning forward. You still have to look after your posture and everything else, even though we're working our legs. You're also working your obliques, because this movement, we use our obliques to lift the hip. Okay, so let's have 8. Make sure the nose, the toes, and the knees are facing forwards. So we're working on our technique, if you're a dancer already, and we're working on building strength. Okay? Alright, so let's have 4, 3. Option 1, if you have bad knees or you have bad ankles, you're going to want to stay here. Otherwise, if it's too much for you already, you can come a little bit higher. Just make sure the knees don't lock. Never ever lock the knees. Ever! Okay? But if you've got good knees, good ankles, we're going to come down. So option 1, just stay here. And then I'm going to face the side a little bit. And option 2, we're going to come onto releve. Releve means tiptoe. And we're going to come downwards. Same action, okay? So let's try 8 going down. 8 on the spot, 8 coming up. Otherwise, just stay here. So, 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh, this is the hardest part. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Notice my bottom isn't on my heels. 4. I'm still using my obliques. 6, 7, 8. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! You might need to work up to that if you're brand new to it to build the strength in the legs. Don't worry if you're stopping and starting when you're falling. Okay? But if you've got bad knees or bad ankles, please don't do that. Just stay here instead. Okay? So, combination. Here we go. 4, 3, smile. 2, last one. Turn the toes forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heels on the floor. 5, 6, 7. Together. 8 on the spot. 2, 3. Stay low as you can. Working on your body. Listen to your body. 5, 6. Optional. Go down to the floor. 1, 2. Arms might help you to balance. You can dance with them. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. Vertically, we're going to press. Press. If it helps you keep your legs together, it will help you get up. Oh my God. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do one more round, okay? Ready? Toes out. Now face this way. So, breathe, catch your breath. Make sure you go straight down. Slide down an invisible wall. 5, 6, 7, and 4. Squeeze the bottom to rise. 3. Tummy in. 2. One more. And then 1. Turn your toes forwards. Knees in line with your toes. So they might not be completely forward. Just make sure your knees are in line with your toes. Big toe and second toe. And drop it. Drop it. Legs together. And now 8 on the spot. Get low. 1, 2. How much can you snake your hips? 4, 5. Option 1, stay here. Option 2, we're going to go lower. 1, 2. If it's too much, your balance, just keep your arms still. Slightly in front of you, not too far. Definitely not behind you, you're going to fall over, okay? Otherwise, if you want to, you've got good balance, then you're going to use your arms and dance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stick your legs out. Okay, so hope you enjoyed that. You're going to want to stretch your quads out. Let's do it together now. So bend the knees and then weight into this leg. Knees together, hips forwards, tall, stretching through the front.